preparations that are underway for the formation of government in Odisha. This is the inside track on government formation that we are getting for you here on Times Now. BJP readies one CM, two deputy CMs formula. So for Odisha, just like other states ruled by the BJP, the formula right now is one chief minister and two deputy chief ministers. We're also playing out the names of the front runners. Number 2 is MLA Suresh Pujari, and number 3 is KV Singh, Mohan Manji as well. So there are multiple names coming to fore as far as the CM race is concerned. BJP is preparing to form government in Odisha, one CM and two deputy chief ministers. That's the formula. Sabyasachi is getting us more details. Sabyasachi, according to the reports that we are getting, two senior BJP leaders, Brajraj Nagar MLA Suresh Pujari and State BJP President Manmohan Samal are being considered for the top post. Then you have other names as well like KV Singh, Mohan Manji, who are also in the race.
Well, absolutely. You see, from the sources, we are getting this information that Suresh Pujari would be the chief minister of the state of Odisha. He is one of the front runner along with Manmohan Samal, who's the BJP state president. See, if you talk about Suresh Pujari, he was here in the national capital on Monday to meet with the BJP high command here in the national capital. See, Suresh Pujari was also the previous BJP state president. He has vast years of experience. He was also the member of parliament. Now, the other information that we are getting is that one would be the chief minister and two leaders would be the deputy CM. See, if Suresh Pujari becomes the chief minister, then there are a lot of chances that Manmohan Samal could be the one of the deputy CM in the state. These two names are the front runners for the post of the chief minister as well as the deputy chief minister. See, other names are also being discussed at the parliamentary meeting that is taking place in Bhubaneswar. Mr. KV Deo Singh as well as Mohan Manji. These are the names which are going around, but majorly it is Suresh Pujari and Manmohan Samal, because Manmohan Samal also has a vast years of experience.
And the responsibility to ensure that everything happens smoothly is given to Union Minister Rajnath Singh and Bhupendra Yadav, and they have reached there. They are the central observers.
Well, absolutely. See, Rajnath Singh and Bhupendra Yadav has been appointed as the central observers. We have seen that Dharmendra Pradhan, Jewel Oram, who has been chosen as a member of parliament, they have also reached out there. See, from the sources, we broke this news first that none of the MPs would become the chief minister from the state. It would be mostly of the MLAs. See, one of the key focus would be on Odia Asmita, which the BJP has been pointing out in the state of Odisha from day one. See, Manmohan Samal along with other leaders in fact also went to Naveen Patnaik's residence, the former chief minister of Odisha, to give him an invitation for the oath ceremony which is going to take place in Bhubaneswar tomorrow. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also will be present. See, from the sources also what we are picking is that one of the first thing that the appointed chief minister would do is to open the closed doors of the Jagannath temple. See, this one particular pitch was made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other top leaders there in the state of Odisha, time and again stating that if the BJP comes into power, they would open the closed doors of Lord Jagannath temple. And from the sources, what we are picking is that CM, after taking oath and taking charge of his chair, he would do this, open the doors of the Jagannath temple first. This would be the first priority of the BJP government over there. Meanwhile, all the top leadership of the state along with the central observers are there present currently, and the meeting is going on. See, most likely it will be Suresh Pujari who would be appointed as the chief minister of the state, and the deputy CM
every
post,
time this formula comes to fore of one CM and two deputies, it indicates that there is an attempt being made to balance the equation. What equation are we looking at in Odisha?
Well, absolutely. See, whenever this equation has been decided that there would be two deputy chief ministers in the state, it is definitely looking at the caste equation as well. See, in Odisha, if you talk about, there's a lot of tribal belt, as well as if you talk about the western Odisha, which has been a major stronghold for the BJP recently. So looking all these equation, they would definitely make sure that all the candidates from the respective constituency get a major portfolio in the state, because if you look at the result which has come in from Odisha, whether it is the Lok Sabha or the Vidhan Sabha, clearly a clear-cut majority has been got by the BJP. See, the BJP time and again have said that there has been a lot of things which has been missing from the previous government, from the BJP government, and that is why the BJP this time around, first of all, they would make sure that Lord Jagannath's temple, the doors which are closed since the
Sabyasachi, keep tracking the developments. For the moment, thank you for getting us the deal.